Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing using the Owlet Dream Sock without Wi-Fi, okay? Now I'll explain what still works without Wi-Fi and what features don't. So the sock sensor, the base station, they communicate, okay, with Bluetooth low energy. So even with no Wi-Fi, the base station can receive data, heart rate, motion, things like that from the sock. And the system still gives alerts and alarms if the readings go out of the safe ranges. So the base station will sound alerts locally, okay? And the basic functionality like live monitoring between the sock and base continues locally even when the internet is down. What doesn't work without Wi-Fi is that the app's features. So the app's features actually depend, okay, on cloud connectivity, and those will be limited or disabled. So those app features, you cannot see things like sleep history or trends or detailed graphs in the app. You cannot receive remote notifications as well, for example, on your phone when you're away, because the app cannot sync data to the cloud, right? But, setting up or pairing through the app will be hindered if Wi-Fi is required to register the device. The Dream Sock specifically requires a Wi-Fi network for full functionality. But the alarms and things like that, you'll still get them, and the notifications. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.